What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So the Tesla software team has been seemingly put in overdrive recently because we actually just got another Cybertruck update. Now this branch is 2024.8.7, so it is still a dot release. Probably more bug fixes. We'll take a quick look in the vehicle. This should be a short one for you guys today. But yeah, they've been pushing out new FSD updates. They actually have it on a 2024 branch that is actually going wide release right now to customers, not just internally to employees. So be on the lookout for that if you have FSD enabled. Obviously for us on the Cybertruck, we don't have that yet, so this will not add that feature, unfortunately. Still waiting on that. So just prefacing this video by saying no FSD yet on Cybertruck with this build. Having said that, let's jump into it, take a look at the full build number, and go from there. So you can see we are in the Cybertruck, and right off the bat, release notes are on the screen, and sure enough, it does show simply security improvements actually in this build. So as you can see, security improvements description says this update includes important security fixes and improvements. Pretty generic, pretty boring to say the least. However, all these consistent updates are really good to see. And as you can tell, we did come from 2024.2.6 and jumped to 2024.8.7. So there's a lot of being worked on behind the scenes. If you guys missed our other videos on what's new on this main 2024 branch, yeah, you can see here, Apple Podcast, improved ride handling, more efficient charging, Castle Doombad, Tesla Arcade updates, custom lock sounds, automatic 911 calls, trip planner on mobile, alternate route while driving. Yeah, all of those are still here and definitely still good to see. Jumping back into this and going under software, you can see this full build version is 2024.8.7, 788C4 FFD 4CCC. But yeah, nothing else new here. We scrolled through some of the menus earlier. There is nothing exciting, unfortunately, in this build. More just bug fixes and security improvements, like it said. The main disappointment here is obviously autopilot still being stuck on TAC, or traffic aware cruise control. Still no navigate on autopilot or FSD beta. Still coming in an upcoming software release. All good, but just a call out again for you guys. Still nothing new on locks, on lights. Display is pretty simple and similar as well. Trips, etc., etc. I will call out one thing. If you guys follow the channel for a while, we've always come up with this network error, and it says check internet connectivity. We actually haven't experienced that before in Cybertruck. Not really thrilled to see it here. Hopefully it just needs to be driven and reactivated, and it shouldn't be a problem, but just a call out nonetheless. We haven't really experienced that like we did in our Model S. So hopefully nothing else comes about that. But for now, guys, yeah, short, quick video for you guys today. Thanks for watching. We'll catch you in the next one. Peace.